Hi everyone, how's it going? I hope you're doing well. Today, let's talk about how you can change the region of your Xiaomi AX1800 router. So, you can do this through two ways. One is through the admin panel, which you can access through your phone's browser or your laptop's browser or even your PC's browser. For that, you need the following address 192.168.31.1, or you can also just do it through the app. We're going to use the app today. This is what the app looks like. Me Wi-Fi. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open this. You won't need to put in the address again and again in this. It'll just stay connected to that. Okay, once you're in, go ahead to the toolbox. Okay, go to your settings, and you'll see a bunch of settings over here, like Wi-Fi settings, network settings, reboot, and all that. So you can play around, you can explore all of these settings. But right now, if you want to change the region, which is this one, select region, currently it's set to United Kingdom. You can go ahead and set it to whatever region you want, wherever you live, or if you just prefer a different region than your own country, you can even select that. It has a lot of options as long as your country is listed here. You can go ahead and just select that and it will change the region. Okay. You've got all options like Brazil, Bulgaria, Cambodia, uh, Colombia, Costa Rica, all of your options there. Okay. So once you do that, it should be really easy and it should be pretty straightforward. Let me just go ahead and do that just for the video. Let's change it to Turkey. It says sign in again after you switch to Turkey. So you're going to have to confirm and switch, and you'll have to basically sign in again. And once you do, you will be good to go and you will have successfully changed your region. All right, that's all. Thanks for watching.